I'm just going to do a little bit of walkie rounds to show you guys the bike. Okay, so it's a standard Tuono, and yeah, it's just like my bike, but the only difference is it's upright. Yeah, it's a beautiful bike there. I do like the blue with the red decal, and the exhaust trim is it's in carbon. It makes a lovely noise. I like it. And the exhaust sounds really nice. I thought that was for me. I thought I'd done something wrong. Okay, let's see what it got. Wow, I love this bike. It really leans nice, it just throws in the leans. I'm glad I took the time off to see my sister. Some quality time here. I'm riding a lovely bike, make some serious sounds. You didn't think that it was gonna go, did it? Lovely, very nice and balanced. Go away home, let's go home. MT-10 was very nice bike. So it's a very hard choice really. What bike would you get for upright bike? I mean, this is a lovely bike, but I've really got an RS34, so I know it's not an upright bike, but I'm just looking for something different that I mean, to be quite honest, if the MT-10 sound like the Tuono, this bike here, bloody hell, it's a no-brainer. Definitely will get it. So yeah, this is my lone bike, the Tuono. Exactly the same sort of engine configuration. When I say that, I'm not talking about power, I'm just talking about like the V4. Anyway, it's a great bike. I went on a test ride today, a Yamaha MT-10, and that was a nice bike actually, because it just looks different. It looks like one of those transformer bikes, you know. It looks like it's just going to go, it's like it's going to change in front of you. I'm going to have to go inside and just bash around the calculator and see, you know, if I can afford it. I'm sure I can, but I want something really special. I mean, that bike is really nice and upright, and I like that. So, but I really want to test ride the Super Duke. So if I can, before I make any decisions, because it's a nice upright bike, and the Super Duke is upright. So. Yeah. Pull that baby round the bend, pull that baby round the bend.